friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and healthy as well. If you're new, hello, I'm Karina. I love to paper craft and also to organize my crafty supplies. And today it's a start of the Craftroom organization series. Part 1, I'm going to show you 2 different parts of my craft room and how I organize those supplies. So let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch those 2 sections in my craft room. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you the section of my craft room and what do I have in this cabinet. So on top, I have some mixed media hearts that I made. In this wall, I have a weaved and art that I purchased. And here we go. I just love these kind of like vignette. It has these little doll. And what I did was I glued this mask that I got at Target onto the Dream Big box. And over here, there is a tiny little Christmas tree. And then this cabinet was a set of cabinets that I purchased a couple of years ago from Recollections at Michael's. I don't know if they still carry them, but this is very useful because I can put all my markers, etc. here and there. And then has this little shelf where I have buttons, color buttons, more color buttons around here. And I have here a mini album. My goodness, this is a super old collection, basic gray. And then inside of these little drawer, I have some embossing powders. And over here, I have some like knickknacks. Then going down, the first shelf, I have some junk journals that I have received and have purchased, and also a mini album that I put together, junk journal I put together. And this is how I'm storing my doilies now. Of course, this thing is loose. I'll show you. Oops. So this is how I'm storing the doilies in these plastics, you know, sleeves, which is like super convenient. I gave away a lot. Before, the doilies were in a drawer that I donated, and now it's contained in here in this album. So I'm gonna see and test in a year if I'm not using these doilies, you know, I probably might be departing from them. Then on the next shelf, I have mini journals, pads, tools. Then these are the Heidi Swapp memory books, some plates for my Sissics, and then on the bottom I have additional trays, and this is where I store my Nuvo drops. Alright, so now let's take a look at this wall. This is a printer's tray that I put together probably 2-3 years ago. It's Valentine's themed. And then these are my Christmas trees that I have them year round. And I probably have to put these some other place. And this is that memory hoop that I made, and I place it on top of this frame. These are the banners that we made at Spooky Boo 2023. Then here are some of the inks, some of the Nuvo drops that I got here, and I'm gonna move this, another one. So this is the latest junk journal that I put together. I still have to do more things in this junk journal, like stitching and put trims, you know, pockets, etc. This one, you have seen the video of this one. You also have seen the video of my October daily. And these are where I store my stickles. Now, over here, I don't have Nuva drops anymore. I have some of the embossing powders, stamping blocks, blending tools, and yeah, this is where I have all the tools in here. And then the bottom, crocodile, chomper punches. Here's my crocodile. I bought these at Temu. I haven't used it. And then some of the punches that I have. And yeah, so this is this part of the craft room. And I hope this video have given you some inspirations on how to store your supplies, you know, in a functional way. And thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.